This is a switch on your wall. You flip it on, you flip it off. It has been around for over 100 years, and not a lot has changed with it since it's been invented. Until today. Introducing the all-new Hogar 3-in-1 multi-module. Now this is revolutionary. It turns any switch into a smart switch and lets you control your lights, your fan, or your coffee maker. Your choice. Its sleek design allows you to install it behind any switch and just takes 2 minutes to configure. It is as simple and smart as it can get. Within minutes, you'll be able to control your switches through your smartphone, tablet, or computer, or just through your voice. Alexa, open the shades. You can also choose to upgrade to our wide range of premium touch panels for a complete makeover. The Hogar 3-in-1 multi-module. Make a smart choice.